Hi, I'm Robin, and if you're like me, you still have a lot of leftover turkey from the holidays. Let me show you a quick and easy recipe that your family's going to love. All you need to do is put roughly 2 cups of ground turkey in a pie plate. Add 1 can of mixed vegetables. Top with a teaspoon of parsley, a 1/4 teaspoon of sage, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of dried onion. Top it with about 2 cups of mashed potatoes. Instant's fine, just mix them up first. Some Parmesan cheese and some cheddar cheese. Bake at 350 for about a half an hour. Perfect.